Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making creamy pork chop casserole. Alright, I'm starting out in a large bowl. I'm going to add in a 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to make the cream sauce for our pork chops. I'm also going to add in an 8 ounce container of sour cream. I don't mind sour cream in cooking, but I don't like it as a topper on stuff. It tastes different when it's in a cooking. I don't notice a sour flavor. It actually makes the dish quite delicious. Alright. Now I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of dried thyme. I'm going to add in my go-to seasoning, McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. If you don't have this, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of that in there. And I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of dry parsley. And I have some of these dehydrated French fried onions. I'm going to add some in there. I'd say probably about a half a cup. I'm going to stir that around well. And I'm going to set this aside just for now. Alright, I have some boneless center cut pork chops. I season both sides with salt and pepper, and I put them in a 9x13 baking pan. I'm going to take our creamy soup mixture and put that down over top of the pork chops. And I'm using a rubber spatula, that way I can get most of it out of the dish so it doesn't go to waste. I'm going to go ahead and spread that over the chops. Nestle that guy down in there a little better. And as this cooks, this cream soup mixture will spread out some. Alright, now I'm going to take the rest of my French fried onions and put a nice layer over top of the casserole. Now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. When we're down to the last 10 minutes, I'm going to take that foil off the top of the casserole to brown the top up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get this in the oven. My pork chops just came out of the oven. They're ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some homemade potato stuffing and peas to go with this. Let me get here and try this chop, guys. I should have used a knife, but it's fine. Pork chops tender, well seasoned. That cream on there, that's really delicious. Those pork chops are really delicious and they were really easy. Few ingredients, big flavor. Alright, there you have it, creamy pork chop casserole. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.